What's going on, everyone? Homework assignment 13. Today's objective, I could add integers. All right, so basic rules when we add integers. To add integers with the same side, we add their absolute values. The sum is positive if both integers are positive. The sum is negative if both integers are negative. So here's our examples. So if we have like -2 plus a -4, well, they're both negatives, so their sum is going to be negative. If we have a +8 plus +1, obviously, they're both positive, so their sum is going to be positive. When integers have different signs, we subtract their absolute values. We keep the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. So the first one here says that 9 plus -4 is 5. 9 plus -4 is 5. And the second one says -9 plus 4 is a -5. Additive inverse. So the additive inverse of a number is an integer and its opposite. So the sum of any number and its additive inverse is 0. So examples of additive inverses, 2 and -2. If I add them together, I get 0. -3 and 3. If I add those together, we get a sum of 0. So let's go to it. Let's go to just let's find each sum. So the first one's actually completed for us. We have -3 plus a -4. And the -3 plus -4 is going to be a -7. B says 5 plus 7. Well, 5 plus 7 is simply just going to be, so 5 plus 7 obviously going to be 12. Their signs are the same. -6 plus a -14 is going to be a -20. Fix that. -3 plus 6, so their signs are different, but a -3 plus a +6 is going to be a +3. 1 plus a -4 is going to leave us with a -3. And 5 plus a -2 is going to leave us with just 3. All right, so let's keep it going. We have a -6 plus a -15 plus 6. All right, so a -6 plus a -15, their signs are the same. We know that -6 plus -15 is just going to be a -21 plus 6. -21 plus 6 is a -15. And last one, -10 plus 3 plus -7 plus 12. So -10 plus 3 is a -7 plus -7 plus 12. Normally we would see this in parentheses, so I'll put it in parentheses for us. -7 plus a -7 is a -14. -14 plus 12 is a -2. All right. There is the work that we were doing dealing with addition. I just noticed that I'll erase those parentheses because it's not syncing up with my iPad, but that's okay. But there we go. Get this done. Get to the practice problems. I'll see y'all tomorrow.